So let's start this first video using InfraWorks and decoration. Of course, we will create the model with Model Builder. First, let's start with InfraWorks Model Builder. We will select our project location and apply our coordinate system to begin the process. InfraWorks Model Builder will populate the model with topography, surface, and building models for the nearby town. I have created a cloud-stored model allowing other users, like my colleague Guillaume and James, to access and modify this model. Once uploaded to the cloud, this model will then need to be downloaded locally to work off. If you have your own data available, like LiDAR, shapefile, or DWGs, you can also add this to the model. The same goes for aerial imagery. This can be updated to a higher resolution if you have this data available with you. In this instance, we will select a higher resolution background. We will take around 5 minutes to update in the model space. If it's important for you, and it is in my case, I will go for the more precise here. It's done. So let's have a look where I want to create the project. So here I just have to create a road, and of course I select my assembly with a template of gondola lift. So from one point to another. So it's an assembly, it's a road plus decoration. Of course here the decoration will be pylon. To create this decoration, you need Revit or Inventor, but you can import 3D WG, SketchUp, nearly all 3D objects, actually. And after I have to wait for the system to update, then I will drop to my project, and here it is. And so what is nice, it's only a line, but you can see the detail and you can move it easily, and you can select, I would say, so by default I've created this template with pylon every I would say 50 meter, but you can have 100 meter, 150. You can select the chairlift alignment, and automatically the interior length of the project will update automatically. So here I will load the Revit file from the station and station here. So here I put, of course, in the alignment. Here it's two separate objects to be crystal clear. So of course after you can adapt, but you see directly if it's fit your need or not. So here I will change the element. So here the pylon done with Revit. Here I can change the length. Same for the gondola cabin. So once you have modified it, you can right click and save it by hiding this assembly. So this pre-designed chairlift to the library. And maybe you can save in vitro. Here I will go for the profile view. Okay. So of course you can drop. I have already done it once, so I won't do it. So here there is point where there is a change. That's why there is a lot of point. Of course you can remove some point, add point, change the location. And here it was fine on this my side, so I create a new proposition. So I call it V3 gondola. Here it is. So now let's move to a more precise workflow using Bridge. See you in the next video.